Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So the guys got here bright and early. Everybody ready to go. We're on the roof. Meister Benjamin getting ready. Macaria, some trash in the dumpster. Really like our Isuzu NPR truck. We put it right close to the house. Looks well for us. Guys are making good progress on the strip off. Get this roof cleaned off. The weather's holding out really nice. Our CertainTeed Landmarks put on. Have this roof happy again. These tired 3 tabs, it's time for them to go. Wind damage over there. So this is how we do it. If we can help you out with your roofing projects, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Our entire crew is Shingle Master certified, on-site job management, no deposits, 10-year labor warranty, and a roof system that lasts. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.